Hello everyone. So let's continue our Matplotlib session. We have already completed line plot and scatter plot. Now we will understand about bar plot. Okay. Now let me first show you this one. Suppose in your classes 40 people play tennis, 60 people play football, 80 people play basketball. Now if you want to show this information in the form of bar charts, then you may represent it in this way. In the x-axis, or we can say the horizontal axis, we will the categorical variables. The tennis player, football player, badminton player. Categorical means that must be expressed in words, or we can say qualitative variables. And in the vertical axis, that is in the y-axis, we will plot the frequency. How many players are playing tennis? 40 people. How many players are playing football? 60 people. So this is what is called frequency. So in the bar chart, we plot categorical variable versus frequency. Okay, now let's plot this using Python. First, let me create a data set. So in sports data set, I'll write tennis, football, comma, basketball. Okay. Now in y-axis, I will plot the frequency. So I can write in your class. So class 1 equal to 40, 60, 80. Now if I want to create a bar plot, plot dot bar, sports, comma, class 1. Now let me run this one. See, this is what is a bar plot. That's what we have plotted. So you can see that 40 people play tennis, sorry, 60 people play football, 80 people play basketball. Clear? So bar plot means, let me write the main points, or this is actually called bar chart or bar graph, used to check the frequency. So it is plotted categorical column in the x-axis versus frequency in the y-axis. Okay, so this is what is known as bar chart or bar graph. Now suppose if you want to change the orient, you can simply write bar age. Then see, has been changed. So you can plot in this orient also. Now let's understand stacked bar plot. Let me first delete this one. Suppose in the second class, 20 people play tennis, 30 people play football, 50 people play basketball. Okay. Now I want to plot both of these in a single graph. I will do a stacked bar plot. Let me delete this one and create two bar plot. First one, bar 1 equals to plot dot bar sports, comma, class 1. Second one, bar 2, plt dot bar sports, comma, class 2. Okay, now let me first run this one. This is known as stacked bar plot. One plot is stacked on another one. Okay, now let's decorate this one. If you want, you can just change the color. I want to give blue, and here I want to give green. Now see. Okay, fine. Now suppose I want to provide a edge color. So I can write edge color equals to black. See, here an edge color of black is showing. If you want, you can just change the width also. If I write line width equals to 2.5. See, the width of the edge has been increased. Okay, give it a label. That too will be better. So label equals to, we can write class 1. And same way, label equals to class 2. But I have to write plt dot legend. Now see, you will be able to understand that which one depicts the class 1, which one depicts the class 2. So the upper one is class 1, the bottom one is the class 2. Now if you want, you can keep class 1 in bottom also. For that you have to write bottom equals to class 1. So now class 1 is upside, it will be in bottom position. Fine. Do you want to give grade? Just write plot dot grade. Okay. Now, if you want to change the line style of the grid, you can write line style equals to, then see what happens. If you want, you can change the line width also. Same process, right? Line width equal to 0.7. These are the parameters. So there are many parameters and you can set them according to your need. Okay. Now suppose I want to plot side by side. So first let me copy this one and paste this. And this is known as group bar charts. Okay. Now first let me delete these two. First, here I will give a position. Zeroth position for tennis, for first position football, in second position basketball. Okay. Now to do this, we will write index equals to np dot a range lane of sports. So lane of sports here means 1, 2, 3, 3. Now a range of 3 means 3 number will be generated 0, 1, 2. So index is containing 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now write plt dot bar. In the x position, index value 0, 0th position. There tennis will be placed, comma, y class 1. Now provide a var with. Next level equals to class 1. Okay. I want to give bar width as 0.35. Next class, so plt dot bar x here is index plus bar width. That means 0 plus 0.35. Second, 1 plus 0.35. For football, 2 plus 0.35. Okay, that is the x position. Y class 2. Next, bar width, give a label equals to class 2. Okay, now see what happens. Clear? Now, if I want to give a name, I will write plt dot xticks. Here, mention 0, comma 1, comma 2. Those are the position value. And here, if you want to give some manual names, you can write tennis, comma, football, comma, basketball. Okay. And now, give a rotation equals to 45. Now see. See here, you can give some manual names. Or if you just want, you can write plt dot xticks inside ticks equals to index plus bar width, comma, labels equals to sports. So whatever is there inside the sports list, it will be labeled. See tennis, football, basketball, as it is written here, it will be labeled. Okay. You can rotate also by giving rotation equal to 45. Okay. So we have learned three things: simple bar chart, stacked bar chart, one top of another, grouped bar chart. Okay. This is all about bar chart. It's mainly plot, categorical variables versus frequency. Okay, bye. Happy learning.